25? All my boxes. I got my IPSY, I got my BoxyCharm, and I even got my Walmart box. Let's go with IPSY first, y'all. I want to wait till I got everything. Okay, I'm telling the story. I got all my boxes the first of last week, and then I was just too overwhelmed with stuff that I'm late getting them up. That's just the God love truth. That's what had happened. We finna get in them now. How about that? Y'all forgive me? If y'all want to stay and see what I got, I'm happy to share. Y'all stay and check it out. If not, I understand because it's late, y'all. But this is what's in the IPSY box and what the IPSY bag this month looks like. I really like these bags. And they all got the cute little lining. You know, I can use them in my purses because I'm practicing keeping my purses clean now. Let's see. Of course, there's a card. Nothing in the card. Oh, and let me just tell anybody that's watching my video for the first time and don't know what IPSY is, which I think, okay, everybody don't know what IPSY is. A makeup subscription box. $25 a month. They also got a $14 or $15 a month, and they got a $50 a month. I stick with the $25 glam bag. And this is what this is. And no, I don't know what's in here because I never get to pick. The first thing I see in here is a one-kind day cream moisturizer. Squalene and hemp rose. It's a dream cream nighttime moisturizer with squalene and hemp rose for your face. Y'all, I ain't gonna open this because I'm gonna tell you the truth. I got 4 tubs of skincare, so I'd be wrong if I open this and not about to use it. The next thing in here looks like a set come through contour motor brushes. Stop buying brushes now as well because I got too many. You can't never have no brushes. Sometimes I don't wash my brushes, y'all, for 3-4 months, and they be piled up in 3 or 4 different boxes. So yeah, I could need some brushes to keep me from washing my brushes a little longer. I don't really like the way these are made. They feel like they don't feel as good and sturdy as the other motor brushes. They feel like toy brushes, but you know, I can always find a use again for a brush. And that's a set of motor brushes, if I didn't say that clearly. And the next thing I see in here is Silk Glow Base BB Primer by Pearlise. Not that I needed nothing. Oil-free, satin sheen, neutral glow finish. Let's see about that. A neutral glow finish. I gotta open this. A BB cream. Oh, well, yeah. Oh, yeah, that will work. Look, it just disappeared. Oh, I didn't let y'all see because I was so into it. That's what it looks like. And I didn't think it would go with my skin tone, but hey. Put on a dark foundation or a foundation that's a little bit too dark and use that a little bit. I don't know. It just disappears. We'll have to see how that works. I wouldn't put this on my face and walk out the door without something dark on it because it's got a little ash look to it. But I take that. Don't want it, but I take it. And the next thing I see in here is IPSY Rock Out Lash Out. I might be getting rid of IPSY because I'm not excited about this at all. Yeah, I got so many mascaras. And I may as well open it because this is just twist, close, twist, open. No point in putting it away and not opening because it's not secured, you know, anyway. I'm not happy with IPSY. I'm going to get it one more month for real this time. That's the end of the bag I got from IPSY. Compass comes from the side. Happy with the bag more than anything that I got in the bag. I'm just going to go, you know, tell y'all the truth. And this last thing is a Bailey's Serum Estate. Never heard of that. But it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow collection primer. Never heard of where this company's from. Yeah, I'm not excited at all about this. Ooh, I'm a little, I feel a little bit better, but it's cute. The colors are cute. Let me swatch one. I'll go with this purple. Okay, it's cute. Cardboard packaging. I'm just not excited about the bag. Out of the whole bag, I'm cool with the palette and the bag that they put this stuff in. So yeah, I think I might be getting ready to step away from this. I think I'm about ready to just let it go. Okay, y'all, let's see what I got in my Boxy base box. Y'all, I have not seen videos because life took over. Oh yeah, I tell y'all, look at here. I put on a pair of these eyelashes that I have them on now, the Falk Mink Volume. And you really do put 3 strokes of the Prime Pro Magnetic eyeliner on. That's the only liner I have on. It's really black, as you can see. 3 coats, 1 let it dry, 2 let it dry, 3 let it dry, and it just sit there via the magnet. But I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about it. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Can you imagine all my wicked sisters going outside with no combs, no glue, no tape? I just would feel like when I'm gonna fly away because ain't nothing sticking on there but a magnet. It might not move. I just feel like it might not be any security there. That's just what's gonna be on my mind. I need to hold it down. I need a little grip. But they haven't moved since I put them on about 3 hours ago. So anyway, let's move on because I know somebody was, probably wondering what's up with them lashes. Okay, BoxyCharm, St. Patrick's Day. I know I got the white box in my premium box. So this has to be my base box. And this base box got bigger, or am I tripping? Okay, the first thing I see is a Diva Eye brush set. I never heard of that. Beauty Diva London. Oh, okay. Some more. I'm just gonna tell y'all what I feel. Some more toy brushes. I'm sorry if they were to the company. I'm apologizing if they were intended to be viewed as real brushes, but I could tell they're plastic. They feel like just a toy brush set. The brushes don't even feel. I'm gonna let y'all see. Pretty orange though. Okay, let's see how much these brushes cost. This is these brushes say $48. These Diva London Diva Eye brush set, perfect eye looks with cruelty-free brush set is $48. That's what it said now. Some little plastic brushes. Okay. Holla Diva London if y'all want to buy some $48 brushes. Oh, this one more. Maybe this is what made it cost $48. I almost threw it away. And that's the liner brush. Y'all see that? What you gonna line with that? That's just so thick and out of control. That's just toy. Yeah. Okay. I won't say nothing else about them. Lord forgive me. I won't say nothing else about them brushes. I'm gonna move on. The next thing I see in here, I might as well pick it up, is a Hangover Primer. Replenishing Face Primer by Too Faced. I'm not, super in love with this, but I have purchased this in the small tube. Not, gonna buy and fall down and, ooh, thank you for this Too Faced. It's okay. I'll put it in my drawer over here to go to my daughter whenever she comes. She'll be happy to use that. And that was Too Faced Hangover Primer was $35. Yeah, I'm about to let go. I think I'm feeling myself letting these, 1 or 2 of these boxes go in on. Because they're not getting better. They seem to be getting worse. And then I have this Dose of Color Reflective eyeshadow. I got one of these in another, I don't know if it was BoxyCharm or if it was IPSY Boxy. It was brown. And this is the same color. It looks like the same color. I think it was brown or gold. Yeah, the exact same thing. Black Party. Black Party. Yeah, this is full the gash. Bull the gash. And it's okay. I just, you know, wasn't totally over the moon and excited. It's just a brown. So, yay! I'm just glad, y'all. I'm sorry that I don't have the enthusiasm, but this is just out the window for me. This says this dose of color was $20. I'm going to just put it right on back in here. Again, to go to my gifts for my daughter. Whenever she decides to make it this way with my butt, but my little grandbaby girl, that boy is something else, y'all. Oh, let me keep going. Like y'all sitting here. And what is this? Instant spray hair mask. Don't y'all laugh. Y'all quit laughing at me. This says a mask, instant. Look here, I can't even see this because I'm laughing at myself too hard. Okay, that's about 35. Okay, hold on. Pull it together. Pull it together. Okay, this says Caprice. What is this? I don't have that. Instant pre-nump instant spray hair mask. This overnight powered in-shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask but works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisture including almond oil, capulchi butter, deep conditioner, repair and straighten hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. This hair ain't for me. I will find somebody to pass this on to, because this is IGK, and IGK is usually pretty expensive. It says this is $32 for this hair spray. Yeah, I found somebody who would enjoy that, but not I, said the blind man. Hell no. Oh no, sorry y'all. The next thing in here is a Bite Beauty Outburst Long Wear Lip Stain. Maybe it will look like it's going to be one thing in here that I can truly enjoy. Bite Beauty Lip Stain is $27. And what shade do... Oh, that's a pretty red. Ooh, oh, let me let y'all see. I forgot y'all was here. Is that a red or a red orange? I think it's more like a red orange. Okay, I like that. I got one thing, so I paid $35 for a lip gloss because that's it in this box. What does it say? Outburst Long Wear Lip Stain. I like it. Okay. I got one thing I'm excited about, and it says that lip stain was $27. I was trying to see if it told me what color. An intensely bold, clean lipstick that hydrates long wearing, lightweight, with easy application and waterproof wear. Okay. I got to see, y'all. I keep picking it up because I want to see what it look like. I'm just going to get a little idea. Yeah, I knew I would like that. Okay. I don't feel too bad now. Yeah, I do. I'm lying, but it'll do. And the last thing I said is Caprice Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. And it said this thing is $145. This pairing pack technology forward skincare. First, illuminating shimmer. This illuminating eye serum and primer creates optical illusion of a brightened eye area with the shimmer palette offers. Okay, it's from Caprice. I'm pretty sure we've gotten a few things from them. Face treatments or something. This is the serum and the primer for the eye. I guess you put this on. Followed with this. I don't know. Brightening eye area with the shimmer palette offers active, buildable shimmer for the eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for BoxyCharm. It's not for resale. I got a few oils from BoxyCharm and Caprice, but I wouldn't pay $145 for this. This don't make no sense. I'm sorry. And this is, I guess, supposed to be the eye primer to help the serum stay. Yeah. Okay, I think I might be one more month. I think I got one more month before it's time to renew for 3 months, and I'm mighty afraid I'm gonna go ahead and jump off the BoxyCharm bus because the train done left the darn station. Okay, y'all, let's see what I got in my $5 Walmart box. I know I've been here for a while because, y'all, I was really, you know, I don't know. I'm torn because I love getting those boxes every month. Just getting something new that I didn't buy or go pick. It's just a surprise. I like doing it. Whew, this little $5 Walmart box, y'all, is kind of full. Oh, look at here. We got a sample of the Dashing Diva Gloss Nails. The kind you press on. That it's like pressed on nail color, and it just fit perfectly over. Yeah, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have these on. I meant to check these out. It's like gel, and they just fit on top of your nails. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna try these out and let you guys know. Ooh, I got 2 things from Hello. I like this. This is organic toothpaste, naturally whitened fluoride toothpaste. It's all natural. I like these. I tried a lot of these. I got a lot of little samples, but I haven't bought it. But I keep getting those. And this is a Hello Soft Bristle Toothbrush. It's black. Because I did buy one of these. That's how I know. Yes, and it's made out of wood. It's all natural. Natural organic toothbrush. That's black. I'm happy for that. It'll come out when my brush goes out next month. And the next thing I see here is a length retention biotin pack, ready for all curl patterns and textures. It has biotin in it and silicone free. And that's from Palmer's. I laugh, y'all, because everything in their mama coming to her hair now that I totally cut my hair off. So it's just funny to me. That's all. And then I see y'all Incido Espanol, it's an Aveeno Collagen Body Regeneration. Softens and moisturizes. In my purse, that shall go. That shall go. It's a hand lotion by Aveeno, and I know I like Aveeno. Did I tell you this little box was $5? And I'm still pulling out of it. See, I'm really about to jump off the bandwagon because this is stuff I love. Walmart. Every day y'all ordered me a lawnmower, electric lawnmower from the other day. Y'all didn't ask for all that though, did you? I'm sorry. And the last thing in my Walmart box, y'all, is 5 scrunchies, y'all. My wigs can use scrunchies before anybody say anything. My wigs like scrunchies, so. For the Lord, no, He working mysterious way. I must have did the wrong thing, y'all. But it is what it is. I can rock these scrunchies with my wigs. And that's it, y'all, for this $5 box. Did I just tell you I spent $35 and $25 on those previous boxes? And I think this is my most interesting, enjoyable box. Okay, y'all, I done talked y'all to death. Y'all stay blessed. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, awesome week. Tomorrow's hump day. And I will holler at you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.